Hi everyone, this is a reminder, a short one, that you can make yourself quick and easy vinaigrette just using olive oil, apparently whole little bottle, just a little amount of vinaigrette, white wine vinaigrette, get some acid from there, garlic, minced garlic, then some black pepper for seasoning, also salt, a little pinch. I use for this one dried basil and dried oregano. There. It wasn't so hard, was it? This is perfect basic vinaigrette for salads. You can use it for breads, you can use it as marinade. Just leave it now in the fridge. Of course you can use it right away, I usually do, but when you leave it in the fridge overnight, the taste and flavors intensifies and you have yourself nice little marinade or salad dressing or whatever you like to do with this. This was supposed to be easy and fast recipe, and I believe we managed to do it. So, thank you, see you in next video, bye!